Welcome back to my channel mga kapanaligan. For today's video, samahan nyo nga ako sa onboarding flight ko from Singapore to Hong Kong. So we are flying via Cathay Pacific, Airbus A350. Ayan. And maraming salamat kay Cube sa paghatid sa atin. And of course kay Lilibet na hinatid tayo sa airport. So nasa gate 5 tayo ng Terminal 4 ng Changi Airport. And konting TikTok muna after makuha ang ating boarding pass. And this is a mini tour sa Terminal 4. So, as you can see, kahit 4 AM to, madaming bukas na shops. And, ayan, very grateful yung atake natin dyan. So, papunta tayo sa G19 dahil nandun yung gate natin. And this was the first time na narinig ko yung announcement ng Cathay. And just like that, we're actually boarding our aircraft na. So we're boarding business class for today's flight. Normally sa airport like Singapore and Hong Kong, hiwalay yung business class and economy class na passenger. So sa ibang airport naman, pinapauna lang yung business class or board at your preferred time. Ayan. So as you can see, ang haba talaga ng airport ng Singapore. Ang laki ng airport ng Singapore. So ayan yung jet bridge nila. Ang favorite aisle natin. Sobrang nakaka-happy lagi maglakad sa mga aisle. And after few minutes, nandito na tayo sa ating seat. So 15 kilo tayo. Ayan. Yung configuration nito is 1-to-1 sa business class. And I'm really happy kasi first time ko makasakay ng business class ng Cathay Pacific. First time ko lumipad ng Hong Kong. At first time ko sumakay sa Cathay Pacific in general. So as usual, 'di ba? Kinalikot agad natin yung seat natin kasi nga super excited tayo. And then ito yung food menu. So since wala naman time difference sa Hong Kong tsaka sa Singapore, same with Manila, breakfast menu tayo dahil nga ang estimated time of arrival natin sa Hong Kong ay 9 AM. So hiwalay yung menu ng food sa beverage. Ito yung clip for the beverage menu. So basta pag sumakay kayo ng Cathay Pacific, try nyo talaga yung Cathay Delight #1. Sobrang sarap. And of course, first time rin natin makita or mapanood yung safety video ng Cathay, which is very creative. And just like that, ayan, pa-take off na tayo. So we took off at around 6 AM and medyo cloudy talaga siya, medyo rainy yung panahon ng paglipad namin. And then we're exploring the IFE or the in-flight entertainment system. Ito yung map natin and malaki yung screen. I think around 13 inches yung screen. And first time ko makakita na may camera yung aircraft. So I found out na sa A350 tsaka sa 777 merong camera. So nakakatuwa lang, sobrang nice lang rin niyang makita. And ito yung mga movies natin. Ayan, meron Joker featuring Lady Gaga and Juan Phoenix. And then mga TV shows, ayan. So madami talagang option, nakakatuwa. And very responsive rin talaga ng IFE. And then ayan yung music and then may games rin. Yung controller nasa gilid natin, nasa gilid ng seat. And then, ayan yung online shop nila. So, we can shop rin. Then, ito yung camera, guys. Sobrang ganda. After few moments ng take-off natin, so, ayan, isinerve na yung appetizer natin. So, breads and fruits. And then, yung main dish natin, we took the dim sum. And then, ang nakakatuwa talaga dito, nagulat ako sa lavatory nila dahil may window siya. Ayan, so imagine, cruising at 35,000 feet, tapos may window. Very scenic yung view. Ayan. And eto na yung malapit na tayo lumanding. So, naka-camera view na tayo. Clear naman yung sky. Ayan, and ayun, nag-look back na ako sa career ko as an aviator. And of course, sa future career din natin, 'di ba? Very grateful tayo sa mga tao nag-help sa atin na mag-grow and ma-hone yung skills natin. And of course, to the companies na nag-hire sa akin before to be where I am right now, 'di ba? To gain the skills. So, we're about to land na sa Hong Kong International Airport. This is the first time na magta-touchdown tayo. So, ayan. Enjoy! Touchdown Hong Kong. Ayan, nasa Hong Kong na tayo mga kapanalig. And to all the aviators out there, keep the passion burning and never give up yung mga pangarap nyo. So, ayan. Maraming salamat sa panonood and you can follow me on socials at HappyPhilPH. Salamat mga kapanalig!